Well, I'm bored. How about we check how that tutorial's doing? Here we go. Analytics. Okay. I guess I got to do another one. Hello everyone, welcome back to BunnlBoom. Today I'm making my first tutorial in ages. I'm going to be showing you how to make a sign in Roblox. So, before we start, you're going to need these two things. You're going to need Explorer open. You don't have to, but might be pretty useful. And properties, but the main one you're going to need is properties. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to insert a part. Let's just do square, and then you can just scale it, do whatever you want. I'm going to make it decently large. But the one thing you need to remember when you're making your sign, no matter how you want it to face, you need to make sure that this side here, it needs to, the west side is always the longest bit, because that's where the text is actually going to spawn. So, we've got our sign here. We can just change the colour. Let's just make it wood. You can do whatever you want with the sign itself. I'm just going to make it look pretty nice. Now, the first thing you need to do is you need to get a Surface GUI. Now, don't really need to do anything with Surface GUI, but you need to spawn in a text label. Mind you, actually need to expand the south side, because that's where the text spawns. So now that you've got your little text label, what you can do is you can change different things. So the background transparency, you can see unlabeled as a background. You can just, if you set that to 0, no one, it won't show up. Now, one of the things you need to do is going to need to size it. So just type in size here. And to get it to fill up your entire grid, you need to go 1, 1, 1, 1. Now, and also here you've got text size, so we can make the text big or small. Comes up to 50. Then, other things you can do, you can change the text, of course. We'll just put in subscribe to Bunnl. I can't type. Subscribe to BunnlBoom, and do that. And here's where you can change the font. You can make it like this or this. There's tons of different fonts here. You could just play around with them. Do this. Just do all sorts of things. And yeah, that's kind of like the basics. Of course, you can just decorate this. You can up, down. You can spin it around now. You just do whatever you want with it. Now, once you've got your text on. That's a simple bit. Well, that's the end of this tutorial. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials, because there will be more now. And I will see you in my next video.